just filmed for like 10 minutes and I realized the camera wasn't on. So we are gonna do this again. Welcome to my channel. I'm not wearing makeup, I'm wearing sweatpants. I just wanna do a quick haul because I need to get this stuff listed. So if you watch, it means a lot to me. My Poshmark and Instagram are both rebel_rose_co. If you liked this video, commented, subscribed, and if you watched all the way through, that helps me out so much. I am trying to get monetized, almost to 1,000 subscribers, or I will be fairly soon. And I have a long ways to go in watch hours. So if you watch this video the whole way through, if you watch it twice, that would really help me out a lot because I need a lot more, I think like at least 2,000 more watch hours to get monetized. So yeah, so I'm just gonna do a quick thrift haul and I hope you enjoy, or I'm gonna redo my thrift haul. Okay, so this first item, it's Be Darlin', which I believe is sold at Macy's. I think I remember wearing this brand as like a homecoming dress in like high school. It's rose gold, fit and flare, sequin. I just picked this up based on style. This would be perfect for a holiday party. We've got a V-neck back, zip. It has a little bit of discoloration from like a fake tan or makeup or something, but I just thought this was gorgeous. Okay, the next one, it has no brand. It just says dry clean only. It's this like sort of mustard yellow. It has like this print, which is metallic, and then it has beading and sequins and ties in the back. I just thought this was cute. I wouldn't pick this up if it was more than like $1. I just picked this up because it was cheap and I thought it was cute. Okay, next, it's just Gap, but it was 3% wool. It's just this like peach gray white marled sweater. I kind of want to keep it. It's just cute. Just a bread and butter basic sweater. And I also said I'm trying the standing up compared to sitting, so let me know if you guys like that. If the camera is in like an okay place, I don't know, I wasn't sure where to put it. Anyway, this is Express. Not something I would normally pick up, but it's 100% silk, and this just gave me Y2K 90s vibes. It's this like mini bodycon, ruffled, it like gathers at the side, one shoulder dress. I just think that this will do pretty well. I haven't sold on Depop before, but I need to get this list on there because I think that this would do pretty well on there. So this brand I actually still need to look up. It's texture and it's hemp and organic cotton. It is like a very lag and look boho style. It's wide leg, flare, yoga pants. It does have, it has this like, I don't know, like coating kind of. It's not a stain. I don't know how to get it off or what to, it's just like, I don't know exactly what it is, but so I'll have to note that in the listing. Okay, and if you watch all the way through, I know I'm doing a couple boring brands now, but there's some exciting brands later. Okay, this is just Gap denim, but it's new with tags. Very bread and butter. It's also a good size 34. So it's super high rise. Just, I like having new with tags items. And it was inexpensive to pick up. Okay, the next brand is Escapada. I had never heard of this, but I looked it up and it seems like it does pretty well. It's very, very soft. It's just like a tunic top. It's very like coastal, sailor vibes, beachy vibes. So yeah, at first I thought it was Escada, but it's Escapada. So yeah, I'm really excited to list that. Okay, so this next one I'm super excited about. This is my first time finding this brand. Redone. I was hoping to find jeans by them one day, but this is a bodysuit. And so it snaps at the bottom. It has cuffed sleeves, just a basic black bodysuit. So yeah, I'm excited to list this. It would have been cool if I found jeans by them, but I'm excited to list this. Okay, next is Sundance, which is like one of those like catalog brands. This brand is very hit or miss with me. Either do really well or it's just like eh. I don't think this piece is going to do amazing, but I think I'll probably get 30 for it, or I'm going to try anyway. It's striped. It's like a fox wrap, cinched at the top. So yeah. Next is J. Jill. This is a 100% linen. The color is showing up way different. It's like a bright green, but not the color on the camera. But yeah, it's just a button up, very lag and look boho top. It's from their Love Linen collection. I love selling anything linen. Linen always does really well for me. Okay, next is Standard James Purse. I think I might have either got another one or this was just in my last haul. I don't know. It's just a basic white t-shirt. Okay, well, I either got 2 of these or this is in the last haul also. I hope I got 2 of them, but this brand always does well for me. A basic top, $30, $35. They're always so soft. Okay, next, the brand is Lulu Simmons Studio. I had never heard of that. I just got this because I thought it was cute. It says not without my coffee. It's like an oversized sweatshirt, graphic sweatshirt. The coffee part is faded. Not sure if it's supposed to be like that. I don't think it is, but I just thought this was really cute. So I picked this up based on style. Next, it's not staying on the hanger. Okay, this is We The Free. It's just a Free People Diffusion brand. Their stuff is always so oversized. This is a size small, but this could fit like up to a 1X, unless you like a really loose fit. And it has slits. It's a cropped hem. There is like raw fringe detailing. Everything is like left like unfinished, which is like kind of their style. So I hope I'll get like 25, 30 for this. Not sure, but we'll see. Okay, next is Lucky Brand. This is just a green, army green utility jacket. It zips and buttons, which is nice. And it has pockets. I actually had one listed by them and had plaid on the back. I thought it was gonna do really well, but it only sold for like $25. So let's hope this does better. I feel like these do pretty well every year. It's like one of those styles that people seem to wear every year. All right, this is Texture and Thread by Madewell. And I do need to use my D-pillar on this, but it's a size extra, extra small, perfect for the holidays. It's a wrap top with a clasp here. It ties down here. It has sleeves that cinch at the bottom, so just perfect for the holiday season. Super excited to list that. Okay, next, the brand is Papillion. I just got a jacket by them too. I just picked this up because I think it'll do well. It's very like art to wear. So yeah, I just thought this was really pretty. I think like an artist or like a teacher, I don't know. I just thought this was really pretty. Like I wouldn't wear it, but it would look cool on somebody. So I picked that up. Okay, next is London Fog. I see this like everywhere. I have never picked it up before. This was very inexpensive, so I grabbed it. It's just a black trench coat. They're very hit or miss. They seem to be very oversaturated, but for the price that I paid for this, I am happy to give it a try. It's a very nice coat, and they do retail for a decent amount. Okay, next is Logo Lounge, which is by Lori Goldstein. It's just this purple like tunic top. I thought the plaid was very like fall and the purple color. It has lace at the bottom, pockets. It does have a little bit of pilling, but that's okay. I just thought this was very fall. Like I could see somebody going to like a pumpkin patch in this. It would look really good with leggings because it's like, it's pretty long. It could almost be like a dress. It's still pretty short, but I just thought this was perfect for fall. Okay, next one, I do have some questions. If anyone knows, I never find Levi's. I've only found like one pair, I think. I don't know anything about these, but I think that they were men's jeans made into shorts. They're the small E, So I don't think these are anything special, but there was no, from what I remember, there was no size information anywhere on these. So yeah, I'm gonna have to like measure and see, but I thought these were cute. All right, and next is Balance Collection. It's just 2 pairs of yoga pants. They are the same, I believe. So I'm gonna throw one of these back here. This brand has really soft yoga pants. I actually haven't had great luck selling this brand, just average luck, but these are just so soft. If you ever find Balance Collection and you're like looking for yourself, you should definitely try them on. They're super high rise. So we're gonna try these again and see how they do. Okay, this is just Old Navy, but it's like a bleach tie-dye sweatshirt. I actually was gonna keep this for myself. Also the lighting, sorry. So yeah, I figured this is probably like a good 20 bucks just because of the style. I think it's cute. Worst case scenario is I keep it. All right, and we got 2 more items. Next is Chaser. They're thermals. I actually got this in a bag of clothes that I purchased, so I didn't know what was in it, but I have not good luck selling Chaser thermals. I find them everywhere, and I know this brand can sell really well, so when I first started reselling, I picked up a ton of them for like a couple bucks, and I think I still have 2 or 3 listed. Some have sold, but I do not sell Chaser thermals well, but I have it, so I'm gonna sell it. Giant string on here. But it just buttons down a little bit, buttons on the sleeves. It's just a basic thermal, not anything special. I know that some of their stuff has been sold at Costco, which really brought the value down, and I think the thermals may have been some of those items, so we'll see. Next is Denim and Supply Ralph Lauren. It's their utility fit. It's just a green and blue button-up shirt. It's very, very, very soft. And it has pockets. I just thought these were like nice, like fall colors. And this brand does pretty well. So yeah, I'm excited to list that. So if you watched to the end, that means a lot to me. Go give this video a like, a comment, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye.